Hola guys, welcome back. So today I'm so excited because I found a while ago this beautiful purse at the secondhand store and I just had to share with you guys because I'm so excited because it's like my first kind of designer purse, but I did buy it secondhand, which is amazing. I didn't pay a lot of money for it. I did have a 20% off because, when you buy there a lot, you have some points and then you can spend some points and have some percentage off. So Plato's Closet is the store and it is just amazing. So, and their products are like certified, and I did check to make sure that it looked kind of real in a way. So this is a Micheal Kors bag, which it's kind of like a vintage bag. It's an older bag because obviously you don't have like purses that are new there. But let me show you this beautiful Micheal Kors bag that looks absolutely stunning. It looks like almost a Birkin bag, and I was like, I saw it, and it's black, so black fits with everything. So technically, I just wanted to have a big bag that I could fit a lot of things in there. So this is the bag. It is worn out a little bit for sure. Like, it lost its firmness because it's probably been used so much and so many times. But then I looked at the stitches, so like the stitches here to make sure that everything looks straight, that these would look straight as well, and that this looks really nice as well. It's not too scratched up, and it just looks nice overall. And then I was touching to make sure that it was real leather. Like smelling it, you smell it, and you can see that there's some embossment in under. It's pretty straight. It looks beautiful. There's also a handle to put on your shoulders. That's pretty long that you can adjust. There's Micheal Kors written on all of the hardware. So like on the side here, it's going to be written Micheal Kors. On here, it's going to be written Micheal Kors. On this thing, it's going to be written Micheal Kors. So it's written pretty much everywhere. So I'm going to show you. Looks pretty nice, don't you think? And even if it's not real, I paid $30 for this bag. Plus, the regular price that it was listed at was like $30 plus 20%. So I don't know what that. I'm really bad at math. I'm okay at it, but I just don't like it. So, but yeah, it looks really, really nice. And then when I'm not using it, I make sure to put some towels in it to make sure that it stays straight. I know a lot of celebrities, when they buy Birkin bags, a lot of bags, they just put pillows in there or like they put stuff so it stays straight, so it doesn't end up doing that. But since it's an old bag, it's been doing that for a long time. So I'm just going to remove the towels that I have on there. And it's pretty roomy. There's a lot of pockets. And even the zipper, it's a metal zipper. So it looks really nice. You can see the nice hardware. And I just like the bag overall. I was like, it's like my first. Oh my God. It's cute. So for the price that I paid that, I feel like it's just really nice. And I feel like Micheal Kors bag are still luxury because for a while they were in and they were hyped and everybody wanted to have Micheal Kors. Now it's sad because it kind of went down a little bit. Micheal Kors is not as popular as before, which is super sad because Micheal Kors is a good brand. It's good quality. It's leather, and you can look at the leather too, and it's supposed to do like a crisscross pattern. That's what I was looking online. That's like their type of leather that they use. So if you look, like, it's a nice leather. It's an older leather, so I would have to like buy a spray maybe to put on it and like clean it properly because I don't want to clean it with weird things. If you think that it's fake, tell me down below. I would love to know your opinion on that. Because even the inside, the thing is pretty thick. There's a lot of pockets in there. It's written Micheal Kors, hello Micheal Kors, embedded in the leather. The side paint, so the side paint here looks pretty nice, pretty equal, and I just like bags overall. Like, bags are one of my things that I absolutely love because you can carry so many things, especially when it's that big. Like, look, it's really big. I have other big bags, but they're not as cute as this one. And I tried to bring it also in the winter outside, so it was like minus 25 degrees Celsius, which is insanely cold. I was wearing it all day, every day in that weather, and honestly, it just looks still pretty. It doesn't get scratched. It doesn't get anything. The only thing scratched a bit is the hardware, probably from wear and tear, because it cannot be it cannot be like beautiful and amazing for the rest of your life when you buy one bag, except if you're taking care of your bag. So I feel like I got a good deal, because when you go to the store and you buy a bag, you know, a new bag, it's gonna be around $30, and it's not gonna be a brand. And even if it's a fake one, it looks pretty nice, you know? So I'm really happy with my purchase, and I can't wait to have other bags. I am becoming a, oh my God, bag whore, as you can see. I love bags so much, like for different outfits. I have small bags, I have Simbono bags, I have just regular leather bags, I have vegan leather bags. I absolutely love all bags, you know? And I've been following this guy. Oh my God, he does amazing work. It's gonna be like, I'm gonna put it on the screen because I don't remember the name of his channel, but oh, the atelier, he just shows you how to make a bag, and it's just so satisfying. It's like ASMR, but like he's building the bags, and it's just so beautiful. It's amazing. So go check him out. I love, if you saw him, go check him out. But it's so satisfying to see bags being made and how much detail gets into a bag. And you would think that, oh, it's just a bag, you know. It's most of them are handmade, especially if it's from designer. And it's just so amazing to see the quality of these bags and how they are handled, from the leather itself to being shipped to the customer. Of course, this is secondhand. It was sitting on a shelf, you know. That's another story, but it was absolutely amazing. So anyways, I just had to share with you guys my first real designer / vintage, kind of like a vintage bag, which vintage bags are going to be in. I've seen a lot of people buying vintage bags, so it's like the vibe for now. So it's really cute. So if you like this video on the Vintage Micheal Kors bag, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one.